performing, when just the singers were singing, they were all standing, clapping, cheering for the singers. But it was a really fun show.
Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna are two of the most famous stars of the South Indian film industry. And needless to say, their hotness and sensuality quotient is right there at the top. They have worked together in successful movies like Geeta Govindam and Dear Comrade.
Sorry madam, na gavanikala.
Verenna gavanicha?
Adu.
South superstar Vijay Deverakonda and national crush Rashmika Mandanna are back in the news again. Tollywood filmmaker Sukumar, who is currently busy with Allu Arjun and Rashmika Mandanna's upcoming movie Pushpa, is all set to bring in Vijay Deverakonda in place of Allu Arjun in his next movie. As per the latest reports, Sukumar is gearing up for his next movie as soon as Pushpa gets a wrap, which is going to be the sequel to Sukumar's most hyped anthology Arya and Arya 2.
నువ్వు నన్ను ఎప్పుడు లవర్గా ఫీల్ అవ్వలేదు, వాడు నన్ను ఎప్పుడు ఫ్రెండ్గా ఫీల్ అవ్వలేదు.
The new movie is to be titled Arya 3. Sukumar has already announced his next movie with Vijay, which is to be bankrolled under the banner Falcon Creations. And according to the latest media reports, Vijay and Sukumar are joining hands for Arya 3 as well, though an official confirmation is yet to be made. If reports are to be believed, Rashmika Mandanna will be seen opposite Vijay in this movie. And if this happens, then this film will be the third film of both together. A few months ago, Rashmika also expressed her desire to work with Vijay again. Talking about her collaboration with Vijay, the actress told Pink Villa, and we quote, "Regarding her third film together, you will have to just ask him. He has been busy shooting for Liger and I have been waiting for that film. I'm curious to see what happens next. We will do a film if my timeline and his timeline match. And it could be that movie."
Curious to see what's going to happen next, and one of his next probably I'll do with my timeline and his timeline.
A few months back, Rashmika dropped a cute mirror selfie while being flanked by Vijay on one side and their trainer on the other. The actress had a bright smile as she showed the V while clicking the picture as the men flex their muscles. She quipped that the boys were doing some serious posing and she was just there having fun. And because of this, rumors of Vijay and Rashmika being a couple have been on for some time now. The rumored couple has been snapped going out to restaurants and being clicked outside their gyms as well. And let me tell you that Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna's link-up rumors triggered when the two worked in Dear Comrade. While neither of the two stars confirmed it, certain incidences point out towards a caring relationship developing between the two. Vijay Deverakonda was also criticized for having lip-lock scenes in his every movie since Arjun Reddy. In fact, many called him Imran Hashmi of Tollywood. Okay, that's all in this video. What are your thoughts on this rumored couple pairing up for the third time? Tell us in the comments. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out some more fun content on our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.